Hi guys, Cliff and Sal out and about in the camper van. Oh, let me turn you around quick. Look at all those little birds. Don't know if you can see those. Here comes Sal. Oh, they've gone now. Oh, they've gone around there. It's a little Cessna flying over. I wonder if I can zoom in. There he is. Oh, oh, leaning right back. He's probably taken a diversion to go around all the smoke. They're setting fire to the gorse now before it grows too much. Oh, he's just about to circle around the sun, and they call it swaling, but it's controlled burning. So that's just over the hill, and over here, yeah, we might wander up. But we were going to wander up to the top of that hill today. But as you can see, you probably need breathing apparatus. I'll zoom in. Well, yeah, there will be flames. It's an impressive sight. But the idea is that they burn sort of channels in the gorse. So if there is a fire in the summer, it stops when it gets to the channel. Very controlled, but it makes a big amount of smoke, and the wind is coming from the right, as you can see, and it's going over the top and then getting pulled down the hill towards Widdicombe, which is just over there. So probably in Widdicombe they've all got their windows shut, and over there's the back side of it, which isn't quite so recognisable as the front side. There's somebody standing on the top.
We walk up there, we might be able to see
Yeah,
swaling from up there.
that's a good idea.
Maybe, I don't know if it's high enough.
And then when we come back, we'll get in the van and have some homemade soup. You wondered what I was going to say then, didn't you?
No.
Okay, let's get our boots on and go for a little wander. We'll see you on top of the hill. And there we are, on top of the hill. Can't see that one. There's a couple of blokes there working on it when we came round the side of the hill. But look at the smoke going right down the valley, swamping nearly.
I've got another one in the distance there. Look.
Oh yeah, there's one. Try and zoom in.
For it, I suppose.
Good day, yeah. He might have been doing it for the last couple of days. There's another one in the smoke up there. But that's the most impressive one from this angle, because the sun's this side of it. Zoom in again. That's full zoom. Where are we? There. Sometimes you see a big red flame leap up, but we saw a couple of people on top of the hill as we were walking up. Can't see them now, up there and passed out with smoke inhalation. But several fires going all the way up the hill. Well, you see the smokes anyway. I suppose they start at downwind. On top of the hill there's not much there but flat grass, and then they let it burn into wind, so it can never run out of control because it's always burning into wind, isn't it? So they can just walk in front, lighten it, knowing that if it ran out of control it's going to burn itself out. It's a good idea, isn't it? That's what I do anyway. We have seen it before where the flames are leaping like 15 feet into the air. You can see on the right there where the cars are, it's sort of burning itself out. Anyway, that's swirling. I can still hear that Cessna puffing away. Look at that. Oh, I'm zooming. There we go. Let's sit down, shall we? I've got to get all these thorns out of my shoe. I stood in a ditch and filled my shoe up with thorns and they're itching my little sock, my little ankles. Would you like to hold the camera, please, darling?
Hang on.
Well, not so much me, but
Oh no, now it's pointing the other way.
where you press the screen, press the button. Yeah, that one there, look.
Is it pointing at you?
It's looking at me now.
Right, okay.
Right, in future I will have to do you a...
I can't really see where your foot is though.
Oh, okay. If you turn it, yeah, you turn it that way. Excitement, mate. Oh, you're standing up, eh? It's going to be that good.
Well,
I'm going to
yeah.
have to probably remove my sock. Sorry about this, everyone. Cliff's toes. Are you pointing at my toes?
As if I would.
You were. I saw the camera. Look, you're zooming in on my toties. Now, do you remember this one? This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed at home. This little piggy had roast beef. And this little piggy had none. And this little piggy went wee 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 wee.
No, because I'm balanced.
All the way home. Oh, you are, yeah. Wouldn't want to fall down there.
Well, not a choice, no.
Right, are you still focused on my toes? There we are. Now I just get the bits out if there are any. I think I've got them all.
I think you're being a bit dramatic, personally.
No, I did pull my boot up when I fell in the ditch, and there was a lot there which came off. But you only need one to cause you a bit of aggro, don't you?
Oh, that's true, yeah.
Actually, the billowing clouds look quite nice with the sun going through them, don't they?
Can't look at them.
This isn't easy, trying to do a shoelace up on the side. These are the boots I used to paraglide in, I think.
No.
You might
Not
be, because
long.
they haven't got hooks. If you had hooks, they could get caught in your risers, so you have boots that don't have hooks.
Alright. We finished.
What are you looking at? Me? That's better. Well done, darling. In fact, I'll tell you what, I'll take a picture of you. This could be the thumbnail with the swailing going on behind. Actually, how about you hold your finger up and I can try and get come closer, about there. Right, lift your finger a little bit, slightly more. Did you pull a funny face? Okay, well I'll try and screen capture that for a
Did
thumbnail.
you want to?
You can put your finger down now, yeah. Oh no, I was just going to screen capture. So there we are. Oh, look out, Sal's going to blow her nose.
Really? Can a person do nothing in private?
Look at this, it looks like a volcano, doesn't it? I think millions of years ago, something like 30 million years ago, this whole area was a giant volcanic festering lump of lava. Hence all these granite outcrops. There's somebody on top of the hill up there. We walked up to that one. In fact, that's the one we walked up to that was misty that day, and you could only see your hand in front of your face. But the wind's behind us now, so it's quite nice. In fact, if we were to sit down there, we'd be even more out the wind. Lovely. This will be an impressive camera angle. You look like the 5 statesmen in America, you know, the presidents.
No, right.
Rock face.
Oh, thank you. Stone statue.
Yeah. This could be another thumbnail. I'll do 2. Do something. Oh, I'm a bit close for that.
I don't know.
Okay, never mind.
There's nothing I can do in the...
No, there we go. Well, we're just going to chill here for 10 minutes and soak up the atmosphere, which is clear where we are.
So is that smoke covering up the distance there, or is that hazy?
No, it's smoke. It's flattening out and pancaking towards Princetown. If you lived in Princetown, you'd be going, something's burning. There's a little pond here. This would be nice for the animals up here, horses and cows and sheep. Just had a load of sheep rustled from up here actually. Hundreds, I think it was. Because they just sort of roam on the moors. But there's no fish in there. It's only a few inches deep, but because it's peat soil, isn't it? So it doesn't soak away. That tour over there is the one we visited a few weeks ago, Hound Tour. Got a video on the channel on that one. It goes down to the medieval village. Medieval. Ooh, I think I've got to get a lot closer to get... Oh, there's the sun reflecting there. You see the airliners, there's two up in the clouds there, one coming towards us. So the one on the left, they'll both be at about 35,000 feet. One on the left is coming from the direction of America. It's probably going on to Europe. The one coming towards us is coming from Northern America, Canada perhaps, flying over. I've got my flight tracker, I can see exactly where it was going actually, but there you go. Anyway, he's not quite as high as the other one. Can you see any gators?
No, I can't see any.
Just as well.
Don't think you see them coming though, do you?
No, you don't. Not unless you see them coming. Anyway, back down to the van for what is the soup you've made, darling?
Root vegetable and ginger.
Oh, that sounds nice. What vegetables? Root.
Root vegetables. Potatoes, parsnip, carrots.
Turnips. There's a little path here, look. Swede? Oh yeah. See you back at the van. And look at that root vegetable homemade soup steaming away. And Salad, she's going to eat hers over there. It's a bit hot though, darling.
It's a tad hot.
Yeah, just leave it a bit. But it's delish. We've got a little flour grater men. A soupçon of salt. Not much coming out of there. It's probably a little bit
More than you think.
No, I think I can see it. That these are little grated grains make finer flour. Hello. Salt and pepper. Come, join me.
Don't want to join you, do I? Don't want to join you, do I?
Ooh. Oh, God. That's really good. Oh, what was it? There's paprika as well, is there?
Ginger.
Wow, that's something else. It's a piece of nutty bread. Piece of nutty bread, guys. And gals, hello to you girls who've subscribed to watch me eat soup. Eating it. And then you were a dog. Oh, it's making my nose run already. You see the lady with her dog? You can. She's by the lake. Nice looking dog. She's shaking itself off. It must have got in the water. And it's on the lead. Very good. I don't know what breed that is.
Can't see it.
Very excitable. It's rather nice, isn't it?
It is.
Okay, right. We'll stop filming here because
Who wants to watch us eat soup?
who wants to? Well, I'm sure you want to watch me eat soup because I tell you what, it's lovely. Gosh, you can taste the beetroot.
She's not going to fall for that. Although, of course, it is a root vegetable.
That's why I said it. Lovely. See you soon. Soup consumed. Banana consumed. Sal consumed. I think it's time to film the volcano one more time. Did I say volcano? And the view, and say we're just going to chill in the sun for a little bit longer and then we're going to drive home. Cheers.